This news clip, featuring an innovative use of TraceTracker's Global Traceability Network, GTNet for short, was broadcast last November on the main evening news program NRK1 of the Norwegian Broadcasting Corporation. Norwegians are particular about the fish they eat. The fish in this counter, we don't know how old it is, 1 week, maybe 2, but soon you'll be able to check this out for yourself via your mobile phone. A mobile phone with a 2D barcode reader application connected to the internal mobile camera is used by a consumer at the retail store to retrieve traceability information about producer, best before dates, and product origin. We learn that the fish was produced by Frøya AS, that it was slaughtered on November 7th, and that the best before date is November 10th. Other pieces of information show fat content 6% and a URL link to the retailer's website for recipes. On the user interface screen, GTNet enables all value chain members to share traceability information from the retailer back through all steps of production and distribution. Far right, the co-op store where the salmon is being sold. Working backwards through the value chain, we see the processing facility, the salmon farm with the grow-out operations, the smolt producer, the feed producer, and finally the ingredient producer level. Co-op, a major Norwegian retail chain, has previously run some market campaigns targeted at the consumer, where they focus on traceability as a product differentiator. Vidar Ulenrud, Co-op's communications director, says that without traceability, we experience a problem in such circumstances, and that's exactly the kind of situation that we want to address. This demonstration is part of one of the seafood industry's pilot projects within Norway's e-traceability initiative. The initiative's ambitious objective is to establish a national electronic infrastructure for the effective exchange of information in the whole food chain by 2010. This spring, Co-op will implement the test project of this new system in one of its stores at the outskirts of Oslo, allowing customers to check out the products with their own mobile phones. In addition to the product freshness information demonstrated in this news clip, another key focus is to enable the retailer to show the consumer that the fish being sold is legally caught and landed within the allocated quota and is coming from a sustainable fishery. The technologies demonstrated here are available for deployment worldwide, empowering a growing number of information-seeking, educated consumers, and raising the bar for all players in the food industry value chain to meet these new demands for traceability, transparency, and accountability.